Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its topic is festivals in Pakistan. So my dear teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, we will learn about preposition, and we will find that how we can use prepositions in our words and sentences. So my dear students, before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about prepositions. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn more about it. So our today's students' learning outcome is demonstrate the use of words showing position, time, movement and direction. So we are going to learn about these prepositions, my dear students. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Baqarah, verse number 255, He, Allah, knows what happens to them, before them and behind them. So my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us about that Allah is like His power is unimaginable. We cannot imagine His power, how much powerful He is. He even knows what is before them, before us, and what is behind us, even what we think in our heart. So Allah knows each and everything that is happening in this world and that is going to be happen. Okay, so these words, my dear students, before and behind. Yes, so today we are going to learn about such type of words. So see there, this is our pre-reading question, how we have to refresh our knowledge. What are prepositions? So my dear students, so pause the video and give answer to your teacher. What are prepositions? Excellent job, and I hope you have recalled. Okay, let's see. Here are few examples, my dear students, for you related with prepositions. See there is a snake, and where it is? Under the wall. And this snake, where it is going? Yes, through the pipe. And where now it is, my dear students? Its direction is across the bridge. Okay, and the next one, where that boy is going? Up the stairs. And that girl down the stairs. Good. And where is this rat, my dear students? See that? Yes, going into the box. And that next is now coming out of the box. And what that cat is doing, my dear students? Around the box. Okay, so have you got that? Which sense these words are giving us? Yes, these are telling us position of nouns. Okay, see that? What are prepositions now? I think now you have judged that we are going to learn about position words. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are position words. It tells us about the position and relationship of a noun or a pronoun with an other noun. So my dear students, these words, prepositions, are also called position words, and these position words tells us about position and relationship. So you try to understand, my dear students, relationship and position of a noun with another noun. There are two nouns will be, okay? Their relationship with a noun to another noun. So then these words, such type of words will be understandable as prepositions. Okay, you can see that there is a noun, there is a pen, and this is hand. My hand is also noun. Our parts of body are also noun. You know that. So if I keep that pen, see there. So where is the pen? Respond to your teacher. Yes, good. So this is on the hand. Okay, this is on. So this on is telling us position of a noun and relationship. What is relation? This noun and this is also noun. Relationship is on. Both things that word is telling us. So such type of words are called prepositions. Okay, have you got? So see that its types. Preposition of position tells about the position of someone or something. So preposition of position will tell us about position of someone or something. Something can be a noun and someone is also a noun. So see there, few examples are for you, my dear students. Sidra was sitting under a tree. So try to judge in this example, my dear students. So where Sidra was sitting? Sidra was sitting under a tree. Okay, that under is telling us preposition, position of Sidra. And where is other noun? Tree. Also Sidra's relationship with tree. What is Sidra's relation and position? Under the tree. Okay, have you got? Good. So next sentence, I have a friend who lives in Sialkot. So this is also telling us the position. Where does he live? He lives in Sialkot, and Sialkot is a place. Okay, have you got? The next one is the cat is on the table. Okay, my dear students. Now this on is also telling the position of cat and relation. Which relation? With other noun? With table. That on is telling the position of cat and relation of cat with the table. So what is the position and relation? On. Okay, good. Next is Aisha is in the kitchen. So where is Aisha? Yeah, Aisha is in the kitchen. So that in is telling us the position of Aisha, that where is she and in which position she is. She is in the kitchen. Good. So see that. Next is there preposition of time. Tells a specific time period that when something happens. So my dear students, when there is a question about when, so when always tells us about time period. Okay, so preposition of time will also tell us about time, that on which time that action or that noun is going to be done. So that will tell us about time. So see that we will try to get through examples. See there, she will visit us on Monday. So now this on is telling us about time. Before, in previous example, my dear students, there was an example that the cat is on the table. So how we got that? That on is telling us about position of cat. But here on is giving us which type of preposition that is? Yes, that is preposition of time, my dear students. And why it is time? Why try to get? Because it is telling us time, day. It is giving us sense about a period, that on which day she will visit us. So she will visit us on Monday. So now on is preposition of time. Okay, keep remember that according to the situation and the sentence structure. Next is Ali gets school at 7 o'clock. It is clearly we can get that because it's 7 o'clock is the timing, and at is giving us sense about preposition of time. Okay, it clearly we can get that. And the next is there, see there, my birthday is in October. Okay, so October is also a time period. So which time period, which month? It's October. So that's why in is being used there. Okay, in previous example there was Aisha was in the kitchen. That in was position. Keep remember that was preposition of position. According to the sentence, if there is my birthday is in October, so how you will get which type of preposition it is? Yes, it is preposition of time. Yes, my dear students, and how we judged? Yes, we judged through its next noun. So next noun is October, and October is the time period. Okay, good. So see that next. Prepositions of direction and movement are used to talk about the location of things and the movement from one place to another. So these preposition of direction and movement usually related to each other, my dear students, because when we are moving from one place to another, so definitely we will choose our direction. Okay, without direction we can't move. If we will go upward, so then we will go upward. If we will go downward, so definitely we are moving downward. So direction and movement are related to each other. So through and try to get through these examples. They all went up the hills. So this is telling us direction, that they all, where, in which direction they all are going. So where they are going? They all went up the hills. Okay, so this is direction and movement together, related together. Definitely when we will move, we will choose our direction, my dear students. Without direction, we can't move. Suppose you are going out of room, so definitely there will be a direction in which direction you are going. Okay, so this is how we can get about preposition of direction and movement. The next example, I took them to the beach. So try to get, my dear students, where I took them. I took them to the beach. So this is beach. Beach is our final destination and a place, and we are moving to beach. So to is giving us direction. Good. See next examples and try to judge. The football rolled downwards. So now where football rolled? Downwards. Okay, the football is rolling down. So this is giving us the direction of football. See next example, my dear students. He walked towards the office. Okay, toward is giving us direction. He walked towards the office, means he is going to office, and its final destination is, my dear students, what is? Office. Is it clear? Good job. And I hope you have got. Now it's time to move towards an activity and try to get that how much you have got about preposition. So my dear teachers, be ready. Say to your students to open book page number 104 and read out the concept about different prepositions. So my dear teachers, you should say to your students to open book page number 104. And the next step, what you will do, you will guide and clear the concept briefly using book content. Engage whole class in this activity. So my dear teachers, I have built their basic concept about preposition. So build strong concept, open their books, say them and give brief concept about preposition. Pause the video, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Excellent job, and I hope now you have got strong concept because there was a lot of examples were there. Okay, good job. So now it's time to perform an individual activity in your class. Page number 106, question number 4 is there. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Also put a check mark against the preposition given. The first one is done for you. So this question number 4, this worksheet personally you will do in your book. So I am waiting for you. Pause the video and perform it. Good job. Excellent. So I hope you have done it. So this is, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got about preposition. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about preposition. We learned about different prepositions, tells us about position, time, movement and direction. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate the use of words showing position, time, movement and direction. So my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.